Dreams are powerful. That your dream is the seed for your success in life. So if you don't have a dream, you don't have a future. If you don't have a dream, you don't have a future. If you don't have money, you can still have a future. If you don't have education, you can still have a future. Because there can be knowledge, acquisition of knowledge outside the four walls of a school. So that's what I mean by education, formal education. You can still be successful in life. But if you don't have a dream, a picture of where you're going, the picture of a glorious future. I'm sure that Joseph had many other dreams, but he knew the day he had this one. Do you understand what I'm saying? He had many other dreams, but he knew this had a meaning. He knew this would impact his future, and he took note of it. Sometimes it's God that will give it to you. Sometimes you have to generate it by yourself. How many times have you stood and you started with what is called wishful thinking? That you just wished that this was you. You just wished that this was you. And before you realized it, this desire became a mental concept on your mind. And from there, you almost could see a picture drawn in front of you. How many have you ever gone through that process in life? That's what is called a dream. This time, it's not God that initiated, it is you initiating it back. Let's think about where we can be. When I see people who don't have an idea of where they want to be in 2 years from now, not to now talk of 5 years, not to now talk of 10 years, they don't last. They don't have a future. I've known for a very long time that I will be a big man in life. And the size I'm talking about, we are not yet there. Because we are still on a journey. My present position is the prayer point of some. But it's not where I'm going yet, because my life is a dream. We have dreamt about it, and it will happen. God respects men who can dream. Pastor Chijoke mentioned how Joseph ran away from the allurement of sexual sin. Who taught him? Let me tell you the truth from my experience in life. When you have very strong passion, it will sap certain desires from your life. I don't have time for this now. There's something I'm doing. Go and check with almost everyone who has all A's. I've read interviews upon interviews, people that had perfect CGPAs in school. They said, I didn't have a social life. I didn't have a social life. Why is it that it's almost a common thing with them? Because dreams can be so strong that you don't have time for so many other things other than your dream. Young people, I'm encouraging you to have dreams.